Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel.
Amazon India is back with the daily Amazon quiz where users can answer questions and stand a chance to win exciting prizes. Amazon quizzes focus on product trivia and provide the opportunity for customers to win exciting prizes. The prizes for these quizzes range from free products and goodies to Amazon Pay balance. Check out the questions and answers. The odds of winning depends on the number of eligible entries that answer all the questions correctly. Eligible entries are the ones that satisfy the eligibility criteria outlined in the mobile app and follow the steps outlined in the details of the contest and how to enter section. Do not forget to tweet about your participation in the Amazon quiz using hashtag #QuizTimeMorningsWithAmazon. So, how to play the Amazon quiz? Step 1. This is an Amazon app only offer. So, we suggest you download and install the Amazon Android or iOS app from Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Step 2. Now, open the Amazon app and sign in into your Amazon account. Create an account if you do not have an existing Amazon account. Step 3. How to go to Amazon quiz. Go to the homepage and scroll down in the Amazon app, offers, and then click on Amazon quiz 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Another way to go to the Amazon quiz page is by clicking on the menu, programs and features and then to the fun zone. Step 4. Now, just click the Amazon quiz banner and start the quiz by tapping the Start button. Step 5. You have to answer the 5 questions correctly in the daily Amazon quiz in order to be eligible to win exciting prizes. Step 6. After answering all of today's Amazon quiz questions correctly, you will then be eligible for the Amazon quiz winner's lucky draw. Step 7. The Amazon quiz lucky draw winners are announced on the winners list declaration date. Amazon quiz question and answers of 23rd September 2020. First, which of these first occurred during the final of the men's singles at the 2020 US Open? Answer: final decided by 5th set tie break. Second, in the upcoming Batman movie starring Robert Pattinson in the lead role, what role earlier played by Anne Hathaway is Zoe Kravitz playing? Answer: Selina Kyle. Third, 22nd September is observed as World Rose Day, dedicated to the welfare of patients suffering from what disease? Answer: cancer. Fourth, a famous festival in Nagaland is known as the Dash Festival. The blank is the same as the name of this bird. Which bird? Answer: hornbill. Fifth, what is this famous landmark in Belgium called? The structure might give you a clue to its name. Answer: atomium.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.